Good evening, gang. Welcome back to Alex's Cocktail Club. As always, I'm Alex, and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're making whiskey sours. We're using Jamie's recipe from his show, Jamie's School Dinners. It's a recipe that it's all ratios, and because we're using an egg white for the froth, we're going to start with that and work outwards. I found that a medium-sized egg is about a double. So you have 1 part egg white, 1 part simple syrup, 2 parts lemon juice, and 4 parts bourbon. If an egg white is a double, then you need to use 4 doubles of bourbon, or 100 ml. No, 200 ml of bourbon to 1 egg. So we can't really make small amounts of this drink. So we're making 2 drinks. And we're going to put all of that together in a shaker. So I'm just going to get my egg white first. And everyone's got different techniques for separating the egg white, but the way I like to do it is to just put my thumb against the yolk and let the white pour out around it. So there we go, that's all of that. And nothing goes to waste here. I'll fry that up later and have a little egg yolk sandwich. So we've got our 1 part egg white, 1 part simple syrup, 2 parts lemon juice, and 4 parts bourbon. Okay, we're going to pop some ice in a shaker, throw all of that in, and now the goal is we're going to shake it until the ice gets everything nice and cold, but we also need the egg white to froth up and emulsify, and then we're going to have a really lovely, silky, rich, smooth drink. And you'll hear when it's ready, the sound changes and you can hear that it's kind of thickened up and got a bit frothy in there. Also you'll get tired and the shaker will get cold. Old-fashioned glasses, an ice in each. You strain it out to keep the ice in there. And you hope it fits in 2 glasses. Okay, just about. Then we're going to garnish with a cherry. Okay, garnish with a cherry. 4 out of cherries. I'll CGI it in, you'll never know. So we're going to garnish it with a cherry. Make sure to get some of that juice in there as well. And then an orange slice for each. Oh, look at that. Oh, you don't want too many of these. This is 2 drinks. I mean, keep that in mind. If you're going to use 1 egg, you're really making 4 drinks. You sort of need a friend to do this recipe. Oh. It's tasty there. Whew. And a fun little variation you can do with this one is instead of using the simple syrup, you can use maple syrup, and then you got yourself a maple leaf, and that's a little bit richer. Oh. You want yours? There you go. Cheers. Good?
Really good.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, well thanks for coming. Thanks for learning about Jamie's school dinner whiskey sour. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye, cheers. And as always, the cherry really makes it in this drink.